Hello mga kumar! So ano nga daw ba ang flag polling at bakit ako bumalik? So ito siya. This is just from Google. And technically, flag polling is lalabas ka ng Canada border, going to the US border, and then babalik ka din ng Canada to apply for a work permit. So bakit nga daw ba twice ako nag-flag polling? Initial flag polling ko is sa Couts in Montana. And ang nangyari, hindi ako nakakuha ng work permit kasi yung medical ko is just 3 days past. So 3 days pa lang yung medical ko, hindi pa siya nagre-reflect kay IRCC. They advised me to go back after 2 or 3 weeks. So after 3 weeks, hindi ako makabalik ng Montana border kasi walang magdadrive. From our location, it would take 13 hours balikan. So what I did is, nag-book ako ng flight going to British Columbia. Doon ako sa Peace Arc border na flag polling for the second time. So ito yung actual na photo ng nilakad ko from Canada border to US border. Yan, at ito naman yung pabalik. Yes, medyo malamig siya and ilang minutes din yan. So sa mga nagtatanong kung ano naman yung requirements para makapag-apply ng work permit sa border, ito siya. So if you're applying for work permit na employer-specific, yung may mga LMIA, so you need your job offer, LMIA. Yung LMIA number is nandun naman sa copy of your LMIA and proof that you meet the qualifications and experience for the job. So this is from IRCC website. I will also include the link on the description para may reference kayo. But on my case, this is the actual requirements na pinasa ko. Sa mga nagtatanong naman po kung saan kayo pwedeng magpunta na border, ito po yung listahan nila. Makikita nyo dyan yung address, yung hours of operation, tsaka yung services na ino-offer nila. I will also include the link on the description for your reference. On my next video naman po, isasama ko yung mga possible questions sa border and kung related ba yung work experience ko sa nakuha kong LMIA. See you on the next one!